So here we are staying at the Little Mermaid Suite at Art of Animation. Look at the theme, guys. This is priced as a moderate hotel, but is part of the Disney Value Resort. So it's a little more pricier, but it's more new. The theming is unbelievable. If you're coming here for the first time with a little youngin', I mean, look at this. It is absolutely incredible. And we're gonna go inside and check out the room. We're in building 8, and it looks like the Skyliners, guys, are right there. The Skyliner station is between this and Pop Century, so you get automatic Skyliner access. So let's go find our room. All right, so we found out the hard way that Braden does not like elevators. But guys, we're on building 8. Look, there's a Skyliner right there. Pick up your garbage. Pick up the garbage. Oh, now he's cranky. Look at that, guys. Skyliner right there. We're gonna go check out. Let's go see our room. Let's go see our room. Here we are, room 8860, Little Mermaid Suite. Well, it's not a suite, it's just the standard room. I told you guys, themed out. Even the shell chairs, this little table. These goofballs, they're going nuts. Look at the mirror. This even looks like under the sea chest.
I'm TikToking, everyone. Follow me.
You like it?
Alright, everyone, move out of the way. I'm filming. Maddie, it's a secret closet. I know.
It's Flounder and Sebastian. And you're separated. Oh, these are the newly refurbished rooms, so they are tile floor. But look at the tile floor. It looks like water. Amazing.
In the back room, it's a secret hideout.
We have
Open the door and
under the sea curtains.
Oh, I turned the lights on.
Whoa, you happy?
You like
And
it?
then right here, you have your, woo, hello.
Okay.
Vanity. These are usually the standard rooms in the Value Resort. You have a little open closet, extra pillow, extra towels. Whew. Ironing board.
Excuse me.
Safe. A little prep to put your luggage in. There's also room underneath that you can store another bag. Here we go. It's my favorite part.
Hold on, you're right. Put your hat.
The turlet
Guys, I'm about to film the table.
and Ariel's treasure trove.
Hey, Brady, don't touch. Hey, wait.
Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Alright, James, smile. James, smile.
There she is.
James, smile. Top.
Love this. Look, even the floor looks like ocean floor caving.
Joffrey's coffee.
Over here, Mr. Keen's checking out the essentials.
Joffrey's coffee is essential.
That's when you know you're home.
Learning the
You got the Joffreys. People wait in line for Starbucks. We like Joffreys. We got a little mini fridge. James, show them the mini fridge.
I don't know how to work.
Open up on the side.
Pull. Oh, good. So he won't be able to go into it. You okay?
Yeah.
Put some stuff in here.
All right. Is this one door or 3 drawers? 3 drawers.
James, move out of the way.
And here's the big plus. Under the bed storage. So look. Suitcases, bags, strollers, everything can be folded underneath.
Excuse me. No.
I think they like it. Of course, you have over here your Jiminy Cricket telling you all about your safety.
Hey, buddy.
All the themes. How many hidden Mickeys? Let's see. Is there a hidden Mickey bubble here? No, usually you can find them. What do you think, Braden? Oh, look it. And on the table, Sebastian's sheet music for Under the Sea. It's great for a standard room. It's super clean. I can smell it's clean. Let's not go outside.
No.
Here, sit with Daddy. Daddy's got juice. Look. Look. He's still traumatized from the elevator. Uh-oh, he's crawling under the bed. No, no, no. Let's not do that.
Hey.
Go get Dada.
Come here, bud.
Come here, buddy. Okay. And there is enough space, I believe, in the middle to fit a pack and play, but really quick.
Well, did you finish your juice?
I think that's a great view.
Done?
We got Skyliner view right there, guys. Skyliner station is right over here between Pop Century. We scored big with this room, man.
No. You want a snack?
Skyliner right there. Our whole entire theme
You want a snack?
is not to take a Disney bus. We're going by either Skyliner or monorail because we're doing a split stay. We're going to be staying at the Bay Lake Towers the second half of our trip. But yeah, really, really cool. You guys like it?
Yes, but it's really hard to get on the
Hey, bud.
All right, did we miss anything else? Let's see. You got regular outlets here. You got USB chargers. You got ice buckets, plastic cups, creamers. I don't know.
shower.
Come here. You saw the shower. It's pretty, right?
Yeah.
The baby's having that. You
So what do you think?
No, knock it on both. You sure?
It's fun, right?
Talk about it.
She's made a TikTok about it.
I'm
What do you
gonna
think,
be
James?
Lovely.
Lovely. So we're gonna go and get settled in, and we'll take a tour around the resort later so you guys can see what animation is all about. Again, if you have young kids, this is an over-the-top family-themed place. This one is a little bit pricier. It's more priced at a moderate resort, but it's newer and it's cleaner and it's just a lot of fun. Would you stop it with the TikTok?
Alright.
We're in Disney World. So, if you guys like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Mr. Keen's Wild Ride, a lot of stuff coming this next 2 weeks. But let's get checked in and it's off to the next adventure, guys.
Tally ho!
Tally ho. Bye-bye.